Hey there! What if you could start earning extra income from home with a powerful system that's easy to use and has the potential to pay you every month? And what if, on top of that, you could save money on things you're already doing every day? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Let me introduce you to Save Club, a business opportunity that could change the way you think about earning and saving money. Save Club offers a proven and profitable way to earn income, even without any prior experience. It's a straightforward system that works for you from day one. No need to buy expensive products or sign up for costly subscriptions. Just a small, affordable membership gives you access to a powerful compensation plan where you can start earning right away. Here's how it works. When you sign up for Save Club, you get an immediate spot in our power line, which places you at the top of a growing network. The best part? Every new person who joins Save Club will be placed under you in the matrix. This means, with the right timing, you could potentially start earning commissions even if you don't refer anyone yourself. When you upgrade to a full membership for just $19.97 a month, you move up in the power line and gain a chance to earn from the fast-filling matrix. The earlier you lock in your position, the better your potential to earn. Plus, with our industry-leading matching bonuses and monthly revenue-sharing pools, the earning potential is limitless. Now let's talk about the best part, the savings. Save Club isn't just a business opportunity. It's also a way for you to save money on things you're already spending on, like dining, shopping, entertainment, and travel. Imagine getting exclusive discounts at over 1 million retailers worldwide. From popular restaurants like Domino's Pizza, Applebee's, and Wingstop, to stores like Bass Pro Shop, Kohl's, and Best Buy. Whether you're grabbing a bite to eat at your favorite local restaurant or shopping for groceries, Save Club is there to help you save. Up to $5 at your favorite local Mexican spot, 20% off at GNC, and even $45 at Bass Pro Shop. And that's just the beginning. Want to save big on travel? Save Club has you covered there too. Book a hotel room in Cancun for just $487 instead of $1,030, or a stay in Las Vegas for just $70, compared to $96 on other booking sites. That's savings you can't beat. And it's all for just $19.97 a month. You can easily save more than your membership fee by simply dining, shopping, and traveling like you always do, without changing a thing. Plus, with Save Club, you can make a real impact on your income without ever having to leave home. Whether you're looking to earn extra money to cover your expenses, or you're hoping to build a long-term stream of income, Save Club gives you the tools to succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Fill out the form on this page to lock in your free position and start enjoying the benefits of Save Club. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to save more, earn more, and build the life you deserve. For more details and to take the next step, just visit our website and fill out the form to get started today.